Hello, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peace Edijala. If you are just joining us, please remember to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. In this video, I'll be showing you how to prepare hair mask and how to apply it using three ingredients. It's very easy to prepare and it's very good for your hair. So watch and see how we are going to apply this. So I'll be using one avocado peel, olive oil, and one medium egg. So the first thing to do is to remove the avocado peel and put it inside the bowl. Then match it. So you can use a blender if you have a blender, but I don't want the avocado peel to stuck, so I didn't use a blender. So the spoon I was using there is not okay, so I improvise. So the mixture is ready. Yeah, so now I added one egg. Now mix it together. So after mixing it together, I added 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then mix it together as well. So my mixture is ready. So the hair mask is ready. So I'm gonna apply it. I apply it to my hair thoroughly from the root to the end of my hair. So I do this section by section. So if you apply it section by section, it's more convenient and it's more safe. So you have to do this, take your time to make sure you apply thoroughly in your hair. If your hair is very long, very full, you may use 2 avocado peel. 1 avocado peel may not be enough, 2 egg, and then you increase the olive oil to 2 tablespoons instead of 1. So after doing that, then cover my hair with shower cap, or you can also use a heat cap. If you have heat cap, so you allow it to sit on your hair for 30 minutes so that it will penetrate into your hair, and so rinse it with cold water. Don't use warm water so that the egg will not cook on your hair. So here is it. So thank you for watching. See you again in my